So now we're going to do a make up numbers problem for something that, while it doesn't have variable options in it in its answers, it is a question about relationships. So I often find that that's one that you can make up numbers as well. So here the question is, if you have a rectangle whose length is increased by 30% and whose width is decreased by 30%, what is the effect on the area of the triangle? So as much as possible, I want to start with the most easily calculable rectangle I can think of. In that case, I'm picking the square over here. And I'm going to make it a square whose dimensions are of length 10 and of width 10. That way I make the area 100. That's a very easy number to work with, especially when you're dealing with percentages like you are here. Okay, so now you're going to go and you're going to take the value and you're going to increase it by whatever 30% of your length is, which is going to be plus 3. So that way I'm able to calculate the new length pretty easily. That's why I chose 10. I just wanted to find something that I could get these percentages of it very easily. And then for the width, same idea, but this time I am subtracting instead of adding. So there I'm going to have 7, so that my new rectangle will have length 13 and width 7, and if you multiply those together you're going to get an area of 91. So now you can go and you see if you're going from your old rectangle, the square, to the new rectangle, certainly if you look at your answers, it didn't increase by 60% or 30%, nor was it unchanged. So those three definitely can't be it. And you noted it decreased, but how much did it decrease by? Well, it went from 100 down to 91, which you can use the percent change formula to figure that out. To get a decrease of 9%, but you keep picking the numbers I did, it's pretty easy to see to go from 100 to 91 that you're going to end up getting a decrease by 9% and not one by 15%. But obviously if you pick different results for your original rectangle, you might not be able to easily figure that out just intuitively, so that's why the percent change formula will help you there. But there you go. The answer is E, pretty easily done by just making up your own numerical example.